Hey everyone, it's great to be here to talk to you about how to make money with affiliate marketing. I've been doing this for over 7 years now, and it has been a game changer for me and my business. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products that you believe in and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both the merchant and the affiliate. So, let's dive into how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Firstly, it's important to find a niche that you are passionate about. This will make it easier for you to find products that you genuinely believe in and will enjoy promoting. You don't want to just promote any product for the sake of making money because your audience can tell if you are not authentic. Your niche can be anything from beauty to tech, to gaming, to fitness, and everything in between. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start looking for products to promote. There are several ways to find products to promote, but one of the easiest ways is to simply do a Google search for affiliate programs within your niche. Another way is to sign up for affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. These networks have thousands of products to choose from, and it's easy to find ones that fit your niche. You can also reach out to companies directly and inquire about their affiliate program. Once you've found a product to promote, it's time to start creating content around it. This can be in the form of blog posts, social media posts, or even YouTube videos. The key is to provide value to your audience and showcase how the product can benefit them. It's important to disclose that you are using an affiliate link, so your audience knows that you will earn a commission if they make a purchase. Now that you have your content, it's time to start promoting it. One of the most effective ways to do this is through email marketing. Building an email list is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer. You can send out newsletters that feature your affiliate products and drive traffic to your blog or YouTube channel. You can also use social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your content and affiliate products. It's important to engage with your audience and build relationships with them, so they trust your recommendations. Another way to make money with affiliate marketing is through product reviews. These can be in the form of blog posts, videos, or even podcasts. The key is to be honest and provide an in-depth review of the product. Talk about its features, benefits, and any drawbacks it may have. Be transparent about the fact that you are using an affiliate link and that you will earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through it. Finally, it's important to track your results and optimize your campaigns. Most affiliate programs will provide you with tracking links that allow you to see how many clicks, conversions, and sales you're generating. This data is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer because it allows you to see what's working and what's not. You can then adjust your campaigns accordingly and optimize for maximum results. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. It's all about finding a niche that you are passionate about, promoting products that you believe in, and providing value to your audience. Building relationships with your audience is crucial to your success, as is tracking your results and optimizing your campaigns. With time, patience, and dedication, anyone can make money with affiliate marketing. So go out there and start promoting products that you love and believe in. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, like, and follow this channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Kindly share this informative video with your close friends. Thank you for watching, and God bless your hustles every single day.